Decoding the types of passages in GRE Reading Comprehension. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the GRE's verbal reasoning section, specifically focusing on reading comprehension. Have you ever wondered about the different types of passages you'll encounter? Well, today's your lucky day. Let's delve into this and boost your GRE prep. Reading comprehension in the GRE tests your ability to understand, interpret, and analyze passages. You'll be given various texts, and after reading each one, you'll answer a set of questions based on it. But not all passages are the same, which brings us to the core of today's topic. These passages often feature excerpts from novels, poetry, or plays. You might need to identify the author's tone, the main idea, or how certain literary devices are used. The key is to understand not just the words, but the underlying meanings and intentions. This category brings excerpts from fields like anthropology, history, and sociology. They discuss social phenomena, historical events, or human behaviors. You'll often need to grasp the main arguments, find evidence, or discern the implications of the information presented. Ready to wear your scientist hat? These passages focus on topics from biology, chemistry, physics, and earth sciences. While it's not about knowing the science beforehand, it's about understanding the experiment, the results, or the theory presented in the passage. These passages present an argument or an opinion on a topic. They might be persuasive essays, editorials, or critical reviews. Your role? Understand the argument, identify its components, and evaluate its strength. A unique type. Here, you'll be given 2 or 3 shorter passages about a single topic. They might agree, contradict, or complement each other. Your task is to synthesize the information and answer questions based on all sources. And there you have it, the varied world of GRE reading comprehension passages. Remember, each passage type requires a slightly different approach. So, familiarize yourself with them, practice, and soon, you'll be a master at navigating through them. Until next time, keep reading, keep learning, and best of luck with your GRE prep.